Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of July, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 71.82% since we first recommended purchasing NIO 32 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.24% per day since it was categorized as hold accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could take either direction. The stock has broken through a wide and strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Any potential pullback will now find support at the ceiling of the previously broken trend, which is at $5.47. This level may present a second opportunity for significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 53.66% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 12.34% and 32.63%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 18.65%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 69.92% and negative 23.18% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.91 and $4.87. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Volatile Ride for NIO Stock Price on Friday moving between $5.78 and $6.58. The NIO stock price gained 14.44% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, rising from $5.54 to $6.34. During that day, the stock fluctuated 13.94%, with a low of $5.78 and a high of $6.58. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 30.99% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 83 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 228 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.45 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, and the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 17.77%, or $1.37, below the 52-week high, and 90.54%, or $60.65, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO stock surged by more than 14% today, reaching its highest levels in nearly a year. This follows the company's launch of the all-new ES8 flagship SUV and the initiation of pre-orders, along with the introduction of a lower-priced SUV that expands its lineup. Investors responded positively to the combination of a premium challenger to the Tesla Model Y and the addition of more affordable options, driving shares in both the United States and Hong Kong significantly higher. This movement has sparked a technical breakout, attracting momentum buyers. In the short term, we can expect continued volatility. Upcoming product launches and updates on pre-orders have the potential to extend the rally as traders pursue growth and sentiment. Additionally, technical strength may draw in momentum flows. Over the longer term, the stock's performance will depend on execution, specifically, whether deliveries, profit margins, and unit economics show improvement, and whether NIO can convert interest into sustained sales amidst fierce competition. If the company can maintain volume and margin gains, this rally may signify the beginning of a lasting recovery. Conversely, if targets are missed, or if there is pressure on margins, much of the near-term upside is likely to be reversed. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, July 31, 2025, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, July 14, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave NIO a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, June 17, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, April 28, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup gave NIO a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, November 21, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell indication. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at $5.16 and $4.59. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, August 14, 2025, resulting in a rise of 42.47% so far. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.01 and $4.92. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, NIO finds support just below today's level at $5.01. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.92 and $4.87. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated 81 cents between its high and low, or 13.94%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 7.01%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies may face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 2nd of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 30 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to gauge when to exit. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $5.01. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.12. Representing a decrease of 3.44%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period stands at 78, which significantly heightens the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO holds several positive signals, but we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting to hold or accumulate in this position while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, August 25th, we expect NIO to open lower by approximately 10.8 cents and begin trading at $6.23. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.